Welcome to your 6-minute sexy abs. Let's get started. Beginning with the standing crunch. You're gonna really feel the abs crunching forward. That's it, good. Pull down, great. Really crunch in. Pull the belly button towards your spine and tighten up the abs. That's it. Embrace the abs, great. Feel as though you're contracting the abdominals as you crunch and breathe. Exhale on exertion. Good. Lift high so you really get a nice stretched body, toned and tight. Good, that's it, good. Tighten up those abs, it's all in the abdominals. Crunch, got 2 more. Last one, great. Now hands behind you and maybe lifts up. Now lengthen through the spine, that way you lengthen through the abdominals, giving space to each vertebrae as you tighten up the lower tummy. That's it, really feel the abs. Pull the tummy in, tighten it up. Use it right here on below the belly button. Lifting that leg, good, you got it. Lift, tighten up the abdominals. Good work, 2 more. That's it, last one. And we twist now. Let's do a side crunch. Twist, good. Twist, beautiful, that's it. Really twist, working on strengthening through the core, through the obliques, that's great. Sexy looking abs, you can do it. Really twist, you got it. Feel it, it's standing crunches. This is like the bicycle on the ground, but you're standing, so you're working the leg that you're standing on too. Balance, great, so important for us. Up high and then twist. We got 2 more. Last one, and hold it right here, hold it here, and crunch it in. Side cinch in, that's it. Reach and twist. Good, really pull that knee towards you. Up, you got it, great. It's worth it. You'll see the difference. You'll feel the difference. Strong, that's it, sexy, healthier, good. Muscles work miracles on your metabolism. That's it, we got 2 more on this side. Last one, okay. Stretch it to the other side. Pull, that's it. Really pull across. Gorgeous, you can do it. Really pull across. Good, pull the belly button down. Tighten the abs, cinch in the abs, great. Pull across. How high can you get that knee? Yes, that way you work the lower tummy too. 2 more. Last one, and twist, okay. Come on down, all the way down. Let me see that beautiful smiling face. Okay, we're gonna do a single leg stretch in Pilates. Lift the leg up and slowly lift it and switch. Beautiful, and switch. Breathe, flatten the tummy, good. If this is too much for your neck, go ahead and place your hands just like that. Okay, whatever best suits you. I like going like this because it gives me that extra little stretch and really pulls my abs. Pull it in. Great, 2 more. Last one. Great. And bring your knees to your chest, relax. Inhale, lift your hips. And let's crunch it in and out. And in and out. All this time, keep your hips off the floor. Tighten up your abs. That's it. Working the lower tummy too. It's a lift and a crunch. Good, 2 more. You can do it. Last one. Okay, and hold it up there, hold it up there. And maybe tilt side to side. Work through the hips, the pelvis area. That way we want to flatten that lower tummy, the lower abs. We got 2 more. Last one. Now bring your knees out, your feet. Bobbing your feet together, we're gonna come up and we're gonna work the lower tummy. Press it down now. Press down, press. Feel it, flatten that lower tummy. That's it, flatten. If you want, you could reach your hands here or here, but I want you to flatten that belly. This is working the pelvis area. That's it, below the belly button. Tight, tight. Get up there, come on. 2 more. Last 2. Okay. Roll all the way up. Let me see your beautiful smiling face. Roll over to a low hover now. These are so good for you. All you do is placing your Elbows down, shoulders in line with your elbow, and you're tightening up the belly here. Pull your tummy up and in, pelvic tilt slightly. Really feel the abdominals tighten up. Strengthen sexy abs, yes. Hold it in a plank, breathe, low hover. Inhale, exhale, great. Now a knee tap, just a little knee kiss. I call it, just tap it. This will now engage the lower abdominals too, but tighten up the abs. Nothing droops or sags, not even your low back. Pull it up. Good, squeeze the buttocks a little. We got 2 more of these. Last one. Okay, hold it right there. Shift forward and back. And forward and back. 2 more. Just do what you can here. Last one. Okay, slowly bring your body all the way upright. Bring your arms together at the tippy top, stretching through the abdominals, and let it go. Breathe, beautiful. You did it. 6 minutes to sexy abs. You did great. What a fabulous workout. And if you want more full-length workouts, I have a brand new app, Denise Austin app, that has over 400 of my workouts, plus recipes, plus a great community and challenges too to keep you going. Plus, we have a free trial going on right now. So download my app or scan the QR code.